Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about what's missing from your listing that hurts conversion. Let's get into it. If you're getting good click-through rates, but your conversion rate is low, it's a sign that people are interested in your product, but something on the listing is stopping them from buying. In most cases, this comes down to one of two things. Either the customer feels unsure or they experience some kind of friction before making a purchase. Amazon already takes care of a lot of the anxiety-related parts like secure payments and easy returns. So most of the time, we should focus on reducing friction that keeps a customer from completing their purchase. One of the biggest areas where friction shows up is in the product images. The main image may be good enough to drive a click, but once the customer lands on the page, they want to understand the product fully. Secondary images are where that happens. These images should clearly show the product in use from multiple angles and ideally in a real-life context. If you're selling something like a unicorn-themed toothbrush for kids, it shouldn't just be a photo of the brush. It should be shown in the hands of a smiling child, preferably with a parent nearby. This helps the shopper relate and feel like the product fits their lifestyle. Understanding your customer avatar is another key part that a lot of sellers overlook. Saying anyone with teeth isn't helpful if you're selling a kid's toothbrush. You need to be more specific. Your ideal buyer is likely a parent shopping for a fun and effective product their child will actually want to use. When you get that specific, your images, copy, and even pricing strategies start to make more sense and work better for the customer. Pricing also plays a role. If your product is priced higher than similar listings, but you're not clearly communicating why it's worth more, the customer might hesitate. Again, strong images, solid reviews, and an emotional connection through lifestyle imagery help justify a higher price. Customers are willing to pay more when they feel confident about the purchase. Text content like bullet points and product descriptions help with SEO more than conversions. Most shoppers don't read long paragraphs. They scan images, maybe check the reviews, and make their decision. So while your text should be keyword optimized, your real focus for conversion should be on visual storytelling. Think less about listing features and more about how the product solves a real problem for the customer. Improving conversions means understanding what your audience needs to see to feel confident. Make your images do the heavy lifting, speak to the right customer, and ensure your listing clearly communicates value. That's what turns clicks into actual sales. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.